In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI with Google Calendar. If you've always wanted a smarter way to manage your schedule, keep watching as we explore how to streamline this process using Gemini AI. First up, you'll want to head over to gemini.google.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Google Workspace account. This is the same account you use for accessing your Google Calendar. Make sure you're using the correct account to avoid any confusion later on. Now that you've signed in, you're ready to ask Gemini to either create or show events from Google Calendar. What's excellent about Gemini AI is its ability to integrate seamlessly with Google Calendar, helping you to manage your appointments and events by just asking it a simple question. Whether you're trying to see what's coming up next or looking to add a new event to your calendar, Gemini has got you covered. As you proceed, you might be prompted to connect your Google Workspace account and grant some permissions. This step is crucial as it allows Gemini AI to access and manage your calendar events effectively. Rest assured, your data is kept secure, and granting permissions simply enables the functionality needed for you to get the most out of the integration. Once permissions are granted, you'll follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. These instructions are typically straightforward, so just take a moment to ensure everything is configured correctly. This step is essential because it ties everything together, allowing Gemini to communicate perfectly with your Google Calendar. With everything set up, you're now able to use Gemini to both view and create events on your calendar. It's a great tool for keeping track of your daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. However, there are some limitations you need to be aware of while using Gemini. It can't invite people to events, update event locations or details, nor manage events outside of your default calendar. Knowing these limitations will help you navigate what tasks Gemini can assist with and which ones you'll need to handle directly in Google Calendar. So there you have it, a walkthrough on using Gemini AI with Google Calendar. Start exploring today and streamline how you manage your time with this nifty AI tool. Feel free to look around and experiment with its features to see how it can best serve your scheduling needs. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.